Hack the box. Machine Archetype Enumeration. After successfully initialized with the VPN connection, we can start with the enumeration process. Doing a simple Nmap scan with a flag applied, which allows us to enable OS detection, version detection, script scanning, and traceroute. Following with the IP address of Archetype machine. After the scan is completed, we can see the result as there are 4 different ports are open. We will try to enumerate the port 445 and 1443, which are associated with file sharing, SMB, and SQL server. It is worth checking to see if anonymous access has been permitted, as file shares often store configuration files containing passwords or other sensitive information using SMB client. SMB client, FTP, like client to access SMB resources on servers. We will use the -L option, which allows us to look at what services are available on a server. We don't have its password, so we will just hit enter and see if it allowing us to see the workgroup, and yes, the workgroup appears. It seems there is a share called backups. Let's attempt to access it and see what's inside. There is a DTS config file, which is a config file used with SSIS. Let's copy or get this DTC config file in our calling machine. A DTS config file is an XML configuration file used to apply property values to SQL Server Integration Services, SSIS packages. The file contains one or more package configurations that consist of metadata, such as the server name, database names, and other connection properties to configure SSIS packages. We see that it contains an SQL connection string, containing credentials for the local Windows, user archetype /SQL SVC. Further, we will use this credentials and try to access the SQL server and do foothold. Thank you.